Okay. This is my fourth time we're trying to do this video. OBS is not working, some other software costs money, and this maybe works. I don't know for how long. I'm gonna try to take care of the issue. But yeah, I noticed that some of my videos have the screen frozen. So perfect. This is not good at all. But I'm trying to redo them so that my screen is not frozen, and I hope that this will work. So yeah, I mean, here trade recap today was very good. Yes, I'm here that it's not working. Trades, this took on a yes. It was a very good day actually. I was in class Wednesdays I'm in class, so it's very difficult to trade while I'm in there. I saw two very good trades, but in class is always hard and difficult. I saw this one, which was after taking lows here. You see this huge displacement, okay? Huge. You cannot catch it. This is a BPR. So a BPR is two fair value gaps just looking at each other. This was a very good displacement. I already knew that price was not gonna come back down to this fair value gap here. So I was like, this is order block, but didn't manage to. And this was another order block here, which was also an order block on the 5 minute. And see, this entry was perfect. Like, look at this, bam, didn't take it. Then here create another fair value gap and order block here, bam, respected. Order block play here again. To this line is a 4-hour gap fill, and this was like kind of my target for the day. I don't know what's happening with the indicator here. This 4-hour gap fill, you see this gap here, 4 hour, zack. Okay, price was before there, and like we're here, and I wanted to price to fill the gap. And there is also here opening gap here, so perfect. And so yeah, I mean, I took a trade after, which is the one I showed before, which was this. So this one, not that many points. Didn't want to risk it a lot because price was here. You can see all these wicks here. NQ was showing a little bit maybe bearish movement, and then here actually where price stopped was a perfect 4-hour order block. So price for this higher time frame order blocks, I don't know what happened with the chart with these blue lines. I'm gonna figure it out. The star of the body, so like this is the open of this candle, the blue candle, not the red one. That was the close. Like this from here is the order block, okay? And price, when we see here in the 1 minute, reacted really well from it. Like you see how perfectly when we arrive here, we just barely touch it, okay? And then we dropped. And if you measure the New York range from bottom to from low to high, we see that yes, touches for all the first presented of a day ago, then comes back into, this was a 5 minute gap, okay, from 0.5. This respects this 1 minute fair value gap, bearish. This can be kind of seen as BPR. Is not that much of a great BPR, but my bias was very bullish. NQ touched OTE, which is 0.62 of the range, and so yeah, for me there was enough conviction. My PNL was not that big. I didn't aim for crazy points. I could aim for the high, okay? I could aim like put us here again, but that's a very big trade, and didn't have kind of time to look at the chart to see what happened. because you can see here price after taking my TP took the high, okay, almost took the high, went right back to the entry, almost would have stopped me out, almost. So see, stop loss placement was very good here, and if I just kept the trade for the whole day, went very high. So the conviction went up as much as 25 points on ES, which is like 100 points on NQ, which is great, which is very great. Of course, I don't aim for that big of trades, and also for time to be in a trade. My time in a trade is very small, so not that many minutes. Okay. So yeah, this was the reasoning behind it. It was a long day, it was a bullish day, because price, see how strong it was. Okay. So when it's so strong, and we can see that here there is this first manipulation move, we can expect higher. So I can expect the price after 10, okay, to just consolidate a little bit after the 950 1010 macro, and retrace, and then to discount, okay, almost discount, so 0.5, and then come back higher. We also had, you can see here, today there were the interest rates. I think nothing happened. They were as expected here. Yes, 4.5, okay. So nothing much. Unemployment claims tomorrow, which is important, and then Friday no news is kind of a day, kind of a boring week. On Tuesday I didn't do anything. Monday took a small loss, but I was BE and I forced one little, but it was little, nothing really concerning. And yeah, I mean, don't want to overcomplicate that much. I hope that this software works. I still have to do my reel for Instagram. And yeah, if you want to follow me on that, Motax DLY, Motax Daily. It's very cute, and I have to do that now. And I mean, I'll see you when I do another video, another trade recap.